This is Total Television. I'm Brian Dolby reporting from the Broadband World Forum in Paris, where I'm joined by Christophe of France Telecom, who is the technical chair of the Broadband Forum. Christophe, there's some very significant news today about the certification program for GPON. Tell us about it, please.
This is a very big day. It's the achievement of many years of effort to make GPON interoperable. And we now have, at last, this certification program that will allow to distinguish between those products which are standards compliant and interoperable and those who are not. There's been huge expectation from the service providers for this kind of program, and today is the day.
And what are the major benefits?
So the major benefit obviously is interoperability. Being able to source products from different vendors is very important to service providers because it will open the fiber access interface and let operators buy the fiber modems from a different vendor than the GPON OLT they've deployed in their central office. So what that means ultimately is first divide the cost of the products themselves by creating a competitive market between GPON O and new vendors. The second thing is on the OPEX side, being able for the service provider to roll out his network and deploy a variety of ONU vendors, not necessarily being staying forever with the same vendor. And that flexibility from an operational perspective was really expected as well.
So we're going to see a real cost-effective, super-fast broadband.
Right. So what the first thing is a reduced cost for the operator when sourcing their equipment. But what that means is ultimately a lower cost for the end user himself. And therefore a larger market, therefore larger scales, and therefore lower costs. So it's kind of a dynamic that can start now.
So this is a real significant initiative by the Broadband Forum.
Absolutely. In fixed networks, interoperability is a real issue, and the work that has been done here for GPON will benefit GPON fiber access very much, but not only. This is showing the way to a new future for fixed networks where interoperability is at the center, and we now have the tools to differentiate between interoperable and non-interoperable implementations, and by that way kind of forcing the industry to take the path of interoperability.
So it's great news for everyone connected with broadband today.
Yeah, I think this is really a big milestone. Again, major service providers from around the world have pushed very hard to make this happen.
Okay, well, thanks for speaking to us.
Thanks.